Graph the line that passes through the ordered pair 0, -2 with a slope of -1/2. Let's recall that the slope of a line can also be interpreted as rise over run. And if we have a positive number in the rise position, that means we're going to be moving up. A negative number in the rise position means that we're going to be traveling down. With a positive number in the position of run, we're going to be moving to the right. If we have a negative number in that run position or in the denominator, we'll be moving to the left. So a slope of -1/2 can be interpreted as -1 over +2 or +1 over -2, and all three of these values are equivalent. To graph our line, we're going to start with the only ordered pair that we're given that's actually on the line, which is 0, -2, and of course we'll label that ordered pair. So from here we have two options. We can either go up 1 and to the left 2, or down 1 and to the right 2, and we'll actually do both. Let's start by going up 1 and to the left 2. So up 1 unit, left 2 units is going to put me right here. And so we're landing at the ordered pair that is -2 for the x-coordinate and -1 is the y-coordinate. But again, we did have the option of going down 1 and to the right 2. So back to the original ordered pair where we started, we could have gone down 1 and to the right 2 to land right here at the ordered pair 2, -3. I'm going to turn my labels red so that they're a little easier to see. And once we have a couple of points plotted, we can then connect those dots with a line. So now we've graphed the line through the point 0, -2 that also has a slope of -1/2. Let's look at another example. This time we're going to start at the ordered pair 2, 1. 2, 1 is the ordered pair located here in the first quadrant. And we're also told that our slope is now +3. If we convert our +3 slope to a fraction, it's a little bit easier to see the rise and the run. So for a +3 slope, we're going to be going up 3 and right 1. But let's notice that we could also get that positive slope by going down 3 and left 1. Either one of these is going to give me a net result of having a positive slope. So let's do both. Let's go up 2, 3, and then to the right 1, which lands here at 3, 4. But we could also go down 2, 3, and then to the left 1, and we're going to end up with another ordered pair that's on the same line. This time our point is located at the ordered pair +1 and -2. And with 3 dots, that's plenty to connect the dots so that we've now graphed the line.